Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jennifer, owner of Citrus and Willow Skincare and Citrus and Willow Advanced Aesthetic Courses. And today I'm gonna show you a treatment from one of my favorite product lines, CIRCADIA. And this treatment is a perfect treatment for going into the summer months. It is going to help with dry, aged, hyperpigmented skin. And it is amazing for a showstopper going out treatment. So let's get started. Okay guys, let's talk about what we use in the treatment room for this awesome treatment. It is great treatment for going into summer months. And for those of you who can't dermaplane in those states, this is an awesome red carpet treatment for your clients with no downtime. So my first cleanse is gonna be my Vitamin Veil Cleanser. It is packed with antioxidants. It has soybean oil, tocopherols, which is vitamin E, meadowsweet oil, cranberry oil, and some other great ingredients in here that are super good for definitely taking off the makeup and making sure that you are getting a good first cleanse and packing the skin with antioxidants. Next, I'm gonna go in with my lipid replacing cleansing gel. This is gonna be a great second cleanse. It's definitely anti-inflammatory, it's soothing, it's non-irritating to the skin, and it is a great pre-cleanse to a big treatment. It's great for most skin types, especially normal to slightly oily skin. The lipid replacing cleansing gel is definitely a back bar must-have. I absolutely love this cleanser. It has a slightly acidic pH, so it's perfect for prepping the skin for advanced treatments, not just this treatment today. Next, I'm moving into my exfoliant, which is a two-part system from CIRCADIA, the Zymase Mask Activator and the Zymase Mask Powder. And this is a powerful enzyme packed with multiple forms of vitamin C. It has papaya and pineapple in it, which is great for dissolving keratin. So it's a lightener and a brightener, and it also is great for aging skin. It's specifically used for the exfoliation part of the facial, and it's a 3-to-1 ratio, 3 parts activator to 1 part powder. So the activator is not gonna last as long, but you can buy that separately online as well. Then I'm gonna go into my mask, which is also a 2-part series, the Firming Peptide Mask, an activator and a powder. This mask has so many benefits. It is tightening and firming, and it has the latest in peptide technology. The results of this mask are microcirculation to the skin, instant tightening and firming of the skin, and it's great for detoxification. Now we have created the perfect palette for any types of serums that you want to place on your client. But for this treatment, I am going to put on the Hydrolock serum because my client wants to go out that night. It is the perfect palette. And the Hydrolock serum is so great for reducing tulle in the skin, transepidermal water loss, and it is amazing for giving you a nice glow. Some of the ingredients in this guy are cinnamon leaf oil, tocopherol, which is vitamin E, and it also has CoQ10 in it as well. I love that it gives you a nice supple sheen to the skin once it's applied. Some additional finishing products that you can use are the vitamin C from CIRCADIA, which has sodium hyaluronate in it. It's very good for hydrating the skin, and it's also an antioxidant, a lightener, and a brightener. And the Emergency Eye Lift. I absolutely love this eye serum because it instantly lifts the eyes. It has great, amazing ingredients in it, and it's a perfect makeup primer. You always want to finish out your treatment with a moisturizer and an SPF, whatever serums you decide to use on your client. And you have some great retail options for some sales post-treatment. You always want to finish off your treatment with a moisturizer and an SPF, whatever serums you choose to use in your treatment to follow up. I always have retail suggestions as well for the clients. You want to make sure that your clients have the Moisturizing cream, aquaporin. They should have a vitamin C. It's a lightener, a brightener. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's super great for plumping the skin, moisturizing the skin, as well as lightening and brightening, protecting from UV rays. And you also have the retail option of the emergency eye lift, the Hydrolox. That's always a big seller in my treatment room. And Hydrolox is also super great for rosacea type skin. That cinnamon leaf oil is super good for calming down inflammation. This is a great summer treatment. It's perfect for aging skin, dry, dehydrated skin, sagging skin. So I cannot wait to show you the results and the post-treatment glow. So let's get started.
Look at that glow. I absolutely love this treatment from CIRCADIA. The combination of the exfoliation, brightening, lifting, and tightening just gives amazing results to your clients same day. They leave the treatment room with no downtime, and their skin is just absolutely luminous. I really like this on my treatment menu for my dry, damaged, hyperpigmentated, aged clients, and it is amazing to add to any treatment menu. I really hope that you like this video. If you like this video, press that like button, subscribe, and in the comments below, let me know what you want to see next. See you next time.